This is the video guide that is dedicated to help you remove fake and scary pop-ups that display pretty frustrating messages. These pop-ups come from the site Pearleu.click. So Pearleu.click is a deceptive site that may attack your Google, Chrome and other browsers. The site indicates that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. Nevertheless, all this information is absolutely fake. The purpose of these pop-ups is not to help your computer become faster or cleaner, but rather to infect your computer even more. These pop-ups by Pearleu.click actually are interconnected with some potentially unwanted programs. At first glance, it looks as if they promote some decent software, but if you start interacting with them, you may be brought to some other totally different pages that may promote totally different software. And according to our research, the software that is promoted through such scary pop-ups is not really decent. It is considered to be the potentially unwanted program. So, be very careful, don't ever trust these pop-ups by Pearleu.click. Don't install anything that they suggest. In case anything was mistakenly installed, go to the control panel of your computer and of course check the list of programs and uninstall any of such programs you are not familiar with. Finally, I recommend investigating your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on this page, combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the application, and start researching and investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.